morning, YouTube. It's Ricochet with Thunderstruck Transport. Thanks for watching my channel. This is Nothing But Trucking. I am sitting in Denver, Colorado. We got up here, took a load out of Phoenix, came up here. I was over Phoenix over New Year's. That's when I did my truck tour video. And we headed up here and got a flat tire along the way in Las Vegas, New Mexico yesterday, and had that taken care of and fixed. Out in the middle of nowhere, Las Vegas, New Mexico anyways, already out in the middle of nowhere, but the little shop that did the work on my trailer was about 2.5 miles from the truck stop, and down a gravel road next to an old cemetery, amongst a bunch of old houses and whatnot, kind of out in the middle of nowhere. So, but they got me in. I was the only one there. But I mean, they were able to take care of that, and we got up to Denver last night, probably about 5:30, and checked into King Soopers. They backed me into a door at 7 and had me unloaded by about 10:30 or 11. So today, we're not getting anything out of here today. Instead, I'm going to go ahead and get my oil change. Right now I'm sitting outside of the Speedco. Went to Walmart and picked me up about 10 gallons of synthetic oil. It's a little cheaper if you buy it yourself than as opposed to buying it here at the truck stops or the Speedcos or wherever you get your service done. So we're going to get that done. I do got a load set up to pick up in the morning, headed back to Tampa for Tuesday. Or back to Lakeland, excuse me, for Tuesday, and then we're really probably not even going to stay home except maybe overnight, and picking up my son, and we're going to boogie right back here to Denver. So yeah, hopefully we'll be in between storms and not have to worry about anything. So we're getting ready to pull out or get the truck pulled in so we can get the oil changed. So stand by. All right, so we are out here at the Speedco, which is part of Love's. There you can see the Speedco. But we are getting it done. We are in the bay here. Let's see if we can see what we got going here. It's cold, got some snow on the ground. I don't like that. All that snow. Here we are in this bay. They are getting us taken care of. So we should be in and out of here within the hour, and then we're going to head over to the truck stop and hang out for the night. Wait to get our paperwork for tomorrow, and we'll get loaded and get on out of here. So we'll see how the rest of this plays out.